My name's John, and what I'm going to be showing here is how to optimize your website using WordPress. Okay, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go in and I'm going to install a plugin for Google Analytics so that I can track my page views. Now I've already got this plugin downloaded, so all I'm going to do is click here to activate it. And I can go back to plugins. And I'm looking for this plugin, Google Analytics Dashboard for WP, or GADWP. Click Settings. Now I'm going to click Authorize Plugin. I have to click Get Access Code, and then I need to log in. Here's my access code, which I'm going to paste here. And make sure this says the correct website for this Google Analytics account. And click Save. Now when I go to my dashboard, I have Google Analytics right here in the dashboard.